Have you ever wondered how the wealthy keep getting richer? You're not alone. Many people believe that the rich have a secret formula for making money that's out of reach for the rest of us. But the reality is a bit different. Yes, they do have more opportunities, but the strategies they use to increase and preserve their wealth are actually available to anyone. In this video, we'll take a close look at 6 key assets that the rich use to maintain their wealth. If you're curious about how these assets work and how you can use them too, stick around as we dive into the details. Asset number 6, gold and precious metals. Gold has held its status as a valuable asset for thousands of years, dating back to ancient Egyptian pharaohs and continuing through to today's financial elites. It has always been a symbol of power and wealth, and this sentiment still holds true. Many of the world's wealthiest individuals, including John Paulson, Lord Jacob Rothschild, Ray Dalio, and Naguib Sawiris, frequently trade gold and recognize its importance in their investment portfolios. One of the main reasons so many billionaires invest in gold is its role as a safe haven. When the economy is unstable or the market is volatile, gold tends to maintain its value or even appreciate, acting as a protective barrier for investors. Ray Dalio, the founder of Bridgewater Associates, one of the world's largest hedge funds, is a prominent advocate of gold. Similarly, Lord Jacob Rothschild, a key member of the immensely wealthy Rothschild banking family, favors gold over the US dollar. The Rothschilds have a long history with gold, even financing the Duke of Wellington to defeat Napoleon over 2 centuries ago. In 2016, they significantly reduced their US dollar holdings and increased their investments in gold and other currencies. Their deep appreciation for the precious metal is evident, with their historical involvement in gold trading highlighted on their website. Investing in physical gold comes with numerous advantages. It is a tangible asset that is simple to buy and sell, acting as a reliable store of value that can be quickly converted into cash. However, prospective investors should also consider potential downsides, such as storage costs and the lack of income generation from gold, to make an informed decision that suits their financial goals. Asset number 5, cash and cash equivalents. Contrary to popular belief, many wealthy individuals practice frugality. They understand that excessive spending can significantly erode their wealth. While they do spend on essential needs and occasionally splurge on luxuries, it is also common for them to keep a substantial portion of their wealth in cash or highly liquid cash equivalents. Cash equivalents are short-term investments that can be quickly converted into cash and usually possess a strong credit rating. Examples include treasury bills, bank certificates of deposit, commercial paper, and money market mutual funds. These financial instruments have short maturities and are traded in highly liquid markets, making it easy to find buyers or sellers. They are also considered relatively safe investments. Warren Buffett, CEO of Berkshire Hathaway and one of the most renowned investors of all time, holds a portfolio filled with money market accounts and treasury bills. Treasury bills, issued by the US government, are short-term notes that are bought at a discounted price and sold at face value, with the difference being the profit. One of the main advantages of treasury bills is their extremely low risk, as they are backed by the government, ensuring the safety of the initial investment. They can also be purchased in smaller amounts, making them accessible to investors with limited capital. Asset number 4, stocks and stock funds. Billionaires like John Paulson, Warren Buffett, Daniel Loeb, Ray Dalio, and Carl Icahn have made significant fortunes through the stock market. Although stocks are not always considered the most reliable investments due to their inherent volatility, these billionaires have defied the odds and amassed vast wealth in this area. They are among the top earners on Wall Street, according to Investopedia. It's no surprise that most billionaires invest in the stock market. Parts of their portfolios contain similar types of companies that you'd find in an average investor's portfolio, including sectors like energy, consumer staples, and technology. However, the key difference lies in the size and diversification of their investments. These billionaires understand the value of stable and reliable stocks that offer consistent growth and, in some cases, substantial dividends. As billionaires, they have unique advantages when it comes to investing. They have access to extensive information and analysis, allowing them to explore lesser-known assets and undertake higher-risk investments that other investors might not be able to match. For instance, Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway holds a substantial position in BYD, China's leading electric vehicle company, demonstrating the ability to invest in promising startups and emerging markets. Asset number 3, private equity and hedge funds. Private equity and hedge funds are investment tools favored by billionaires and high-net-worth individuals who can afford large investments and higher risks. While these two types of investments are not identical, they function closely with securities and trading markets. Hedge funds are managed by professional teams who oversee investments to maximize returns for their investors. These funds are generally structured as limited liability companies or limited partnerships and can invest in a variety of assets, including stocks, bonds, futures, options, real estate, commodities, currencies, and derivatives. On the other hand, private equity involves investing in privately owned businesses with the goal of maximizing profitability. Both types of investments require a significant amount of capital, making them inaccessible to many average investors. However, for those who can afford it, these investments offer the potential for substantial returns. Asset number 2, real estate. Real estate has long been a cornerstone of wealth building. Andrew Carnegie, one of the wealthiest entrepreneurs of all time, famously claimed that 90% of millionaires made their wealth through real estate. This statement holds true even today. Many self-made billionaires, such as Donald Bren, Neil Bloom, and Leonard Stern, have accumulated their fortunes through real estate investments. Forbes reports that Donald Bren, with a net worth of $17.4 billion, is the wealthiest real estate baron in the United States. His company, the Irvine Company, owns 129 million square feet of real estate, primarily in Southern California, including 124 housing complexes and 124 office buildings. Bren even owns 97% of the MetLife building in New York City. Neil Bloom, a Chicago-based gambling and real estate tycoon, owns properties like the Ritz-Carlton and 900 North Michigan, along with several casinos. Leonard Stern has also reaped significant profits from real estate, particularly in New Jersey. Stern's company, Hartz Mountain, owns more than 260 properties, primarily in industrial real estate, across New Jersey, Atlanta, Baltimore, and Charlotte, North Carolina. Asset number 1, fine art and valuable collectibles. Beyond real estate, billionaires also invest in fine art and valuable collectibles for both financial and personal gain. Art provides a unique investment opportunity due to its potential for substantial returns and portfolio diversification. Unlike traditional investments like stocks and bonds, art is a tangible asset not directly tied to financial markets, making it a lower-risk investment. The art market has proven to be lucrative over the years, with top-tier artworks regularly fetching millions at auctions. Private collectors like David Geffen, who has the largest private art collection in the United States and the second largest globally, and Steve Cohen, a hedge fund manager with over $1 billion invested in artworks, have made significant investments in pieces by renowned artists such as Jeff Koons, Picasso, and Andy Warhol. Billionaires also diversify their portfolios with valuable collectibles, including vintage cars, rare books, jewelry, and intellectual property. For example, Michael Dell, founder of Dell Computers, has a valuable collection of vintage photographs, and Jeff Bezos, founder of Amazon, retrieved Apollo 11's booster rockets and numerous other NASA artifacts from the ocean floor. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more insights on wealth preservation.